In today's video, we're going to show you how to sell your RV and get it prepared for that sale. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're in our camper. As we get ready for full-time RV living, we have posted our camper for sale. We just posted it, what, 2 days ago?
Yeah.
2 days ago.
Two days ago.
We didn't think we would get a response this quickly, but we have somebody who wants to come look at it tomorrow. So it is a Friday night, and we have our camper sitting in front of our house so we can clean it out, figure out what we want to keep in here, because there are some things that we are going to include with this camper for the people that are buying it. But we're going to clean everything out that we want to keep. We're going to wipe everything down. We're going to go ahead and sweep the floors and mop the floors. So what do you say? Should we get to it?
Yeah.
All right,
so
let's get to it. So as you can see, we've done a lot. I'm really tired. I'm obviously out of shape. We still have a little bit more to go, but I think we're just going to do a few more things and then we're going to call it a night, and then we will continue this video in the morning. So with that being said, we will see you guys tomorrow. Well, good morning guys. As you can see, we got a lot done. We still have a lot left to do. We have to figure out where we're going to put all this stuff. We have all of our blankets from our camper, all of our ponchos is what we call them, that we wear when it's cold, all of our games and movies and things like that. So we have got to figure out how we want to organize that and where we're going to put it. We still have to go outside and empty out our under storage. So before we do that, we're going to enjoy some coffee. So we'll catch you all later. We didn't go as quickly that morning as we should have, because Daniel got a text from these people that they were about 20 minutes away.
Yep.
And there was still things on the counter, there was still things on the table. We were not done, so we had to rush to get everything out of there and get it finished so that it would look nice for them to come look at it. These people unfortunately didn't buy it, which is okay. They didn't like the bunk beds. The bunk beds were a deal breaker for them, so they went with someone else. But couple days after that, we had somebody really interested in the camper. They met Daniel at the storage place that we kept it at, and they liked it so much that they bought it.
guys, you just never know how much stuff you actually accumulate, even as us, we're weekenders right now, and 16-foot trailer. Didn't think we had that much stuff, but it was a lot to go through and
Yeah, we had a lot.
take stuff out and organize what we wanted, what we didn't want. So yeah, just make sure that when you get ready to sell it, you have it all cleaned out beforehand, so that way you're not rushing like we did. Learn from our mistakes. Anyway guys, if you like this video, make sure you give us a good thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscription button and hit the bell notification so that way you're notified when we release a video each week.
Remember to always cherish the journey you're on and cherish the moment you're in, and take time to be with the people that are important to you in your life. We will see you guys next week. Have a great week, everybody.
Bye.